What if I told you, your money loses value every single year, that the $1,000 you saved last year, can buy less today, but one digital coin, called Bitcoin, grew from just 1 cent to over $60,000. So, what is Bitcoin, and why is it shaking the entire financial world? Welcome to Only Bitcoin, where we make Bitcoin simple, visual, and exciting. This is my first video on this channel, so I will try my best to give you right information, and today we'll answer 4 big questions. 1. What exactly is Bitcoin? 2. Why was it created? 3. How is it different from regular money? 4. What makes it valuable? So, let's get started with question number 1. What exactly is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is digital money, no paper, no coins, just pure internet currency. You can send it to anyone, anywhere, without needing a bank, a card, or permission. Let's make this super simple. Imagine this, you're in the US, and your cousin is in India. You want to send him $100. If you go through a bank or PayPal, they'll charge fees, take 2 to 3 days, and maybe even block the transaction. But now imagine you use Bitcoin. You open your phone, scan a QR code, and in minutes, boom, the money is in his wallet. No bank, no permission, no borders. It's like sending a photo on WhatsApp, but instead of a selfie, you're sending real value. I hope you have understood what Bitcoin is. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, and if you want me to make a more detailed video on Bitcoin, please comment, detailed video on Bitcoin. If I receive more than 1,000 comments, I will upload the detailed video soon. Now let's move on question number 2, why Bitcoin was created. To understand why Bitcoin was created, we need to go back to 2008. In 2008, the world faced a huge financial crash. Banks failed. People lost their savings, and trust in the system, completely broken. That's when someone called Satoshi Nakamoto released an idea, Bitcoin. A digital currency with no bank, no middleman, and no government control. Bitcoin was created to give you control over your money, in a world where traditional systems had failed. Now we will discuss about the third question, how Bitcoin is different from regular money. Let's compare Bitcoin versus the dollars in your pocket. Bitcoin is decentralized and dollars is controlled by government and banks. Supply of Bitcoin is fixed and supply of dollars is unlimited. Bitcoin's transfer time is 24/7 or minutes and dollars transfer time is hours or days. Bitcoin's trust system is blockchain, verified by code, and dollars trust system is government. Governments can print more money anytime, which causes inflation, but Bitcoin, its supply is locked forever. Let's move on question number 4, why Bitcoin is valuable. Bitcoin is valuable because it's limited, secure, and fully in your control. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, that's it. You don't need a bank to use it. You can send or receive Bitcoin anytime, anywhere, with low fees and no middleman. It works the same across the world, no borders, no currency conversion, no delays. And the best part, every transaction is verified by thousands of computers. It can't be faked or changed. Millions of people now trust Bitcoin as a safe place to store their money, and that trust is what gives Bitcoin real value. So now you know why Bitcoin is valuable. It's not just code, it's confidence, control, and the future of money. In our upcoming videos, we'll break down how Bitcoin actually works, what is blockchain, how are transactions verified, and how can you start using Bitcoin today. So if you found this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon, because we're just getting started. This is Only Bitcoin. See you in the next one.